The world of technology is ever evolving, constantly pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Apple, a company synonymous with revolutionizing how we interact with technology, has once again captivated the world with its latest marvel, the Apple Vision Pro. This revolutionary augmented reality, AR headset promises to redefine our reality, seamlessly blending the digital and physical worlds in ways we could only imagine. The Apple Vision Pro is not merely a device, it's a gateway to a new era of human-computer interaction. Join me as we embark on a journey into the future, unboxing the Apple Vision Pro and exploring the transformative potential it holds. It's about a new way of seeing and experiencing the world. Imagine a world where information is readily available at a glance, where entertainment surrounds us, and where human connection is enhanced by technology. This is the promise of the Apple Vision Pro, a future where the limitations of the physical world fade away, replaced by the boundless possibilities of augmented reality. The future is here, and it's looking brighter than ever through the lens of the Apple Vision Pro. The unboxing experience of an Apple product is an event in itself, a carefully orchestrated unveiling that heightens anticipation and excitement. The Vision Pro is no exception. Its packaging exudes elegance and sophistication, a testament to the meticulous attention to detail that Apple is renowned for. As you lift the lid, you're greeted by the headset itself, nestled securely within a bed of molded fabric. The sleek lines of the Vision Pro immediately draw you in. It's a symphony of glass and aluminum, a testament to Apple's design prowess. Beneath the headset, you'll find the accessories, each meticulously packaged and presented. There's a sleek charging cable, a soft cleaning cloth, and a set of adjustable straps designed to provide a secure and comfortable fit for a wide range of head sizes. From the moment you lay eyes on the packaging to the first time you hold the headset in your hands, you're filled with a sense of anticipation, a feeling that you're on the cusp of something truly special. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a device, it's a passport to a new dimension of technological possibilities. Apple has always been synonymous with sleek design, and the Vision Pro is no exception. Crafted from a combination of polished glass and aerospace-grade aluminum, the headset is both visually stunning and remarkably lightweight. The smooth, curved glass panel at the front houses an array of advanced sensors and cameras, seamlessly integrated into the design. The aluminum frame, available in a sleek silver finish, provides a robust yet lightweight structure, ensuring durability without compromising on comfort. The headband, crafted from a breathable, flexible material, is designed to distribute weight evenly, maximizing comfort during extended use. Apple understands that an AR headset is not just a piece of technology, it's something you wear. The Apple Vision Pro is a testament to the company's design philosophy, a perfect blend of form and function. At the heart of the Apple Vision Pro lies its groundbreaking micro OLED display system. This technological marvel packs an astounding 23 million pixels across two panels, delivering stunning visuals with incredible detail and clarity. Every pixel emits its own light, resulting in deep blacks, vibrant colors, and an astonishing contrast ratio that brings virtual content to life. The micro OLED display technology also boasts an incredibly fast response time, virtually eliminating motion blur and ensuring a smooth, fluid visual experience, even during fast-paced action or immersive gaming. Whether you're exploring a virtual world, collaborating on a 3D design project, or simply catching up on your favorite streaming service, the Vision Pro's display delivers an unparalleled visual experience. The micro OLED display is a testament to Apple's commitment to pushing the boundaries of display technology. The Apple Vision Pro redefines human-computer interaction with its advanced eye tracking and gesture control system. The headset seamlessly tracks your eye movements, allowing you to navigate menus, select apps, and interact with virtual content with intuitive ease. No more cumbersome controllers or awkward hand gestures. Your eyes become the primary input method. The eye tracking technology works in tandem with advanced cameras and sensors to precisely track your hand movements in 3D space. You can reach out and interact with virtual objects, swipe through menus, and even type on a virtual keyboard, all with the natural movement of your hands. The result is an incredibly intuitive and immersive user experience, making you feel like you're interacting with the digital world directly. The Apple Vision Pro makes these futuristic interactions a reality, paving the way for a more natural and intuitive way of interacting with the digital world. The Apple Vision Pro doesn't just immerse you in stunning visuals, it also envelops you in a world of immersive audio, thanks to its advanced spatial audio technology. The headset features a high-fidelity audio system that delivers rich, detailed sound that feels like it's coming from all around you. Spatial audio tracks the position of your head in real time, adjusting the audio output to create a truly immersive soundscape. Sounds appear to originate from their corresponding positions in the virtual environment, adding a new level of realism to AR experiences. The Vision Pro also features advanced noise cancellation technology, blocking out distracting background noise and allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the virtual world. Whether you're exploring a bustling cityscape or enjoying a quiet moment in a virtual forest, the audio quality is nothing short of breathtaking. Apple's spatial audio technology transforms how you experience sound, creating a sense of presence and immersion that's truly remarkable. The Apple Vision Pro isn't just a standalone device, it's a seamless extension of the Apple ecosystem, integrating effortlessly with your existing Apple devices. You can easily share content between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac, making it easy to start a task on one device and seamlessly transition to the Vision Pro. Imagine starting a presentation on your Mac, and then, with a simple gesture, transferring it to the Vision Pro to experience it in immersive augmented reality. Or imagine using your iPad as a virtual keyboard while wearing the headset, or receiving notifications from your iPhone directly in your field of view. This seamless integration extends to Apple's suite of apps and services. You can access your favorite Apple apps like Messages, FaceTime, and Safari directly on the Vision Pro, enjoying the same familiar interface and user experience. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a device, it's a gateway to a connected ecosystem that enhances your productivity, creativity, and entertainment. The Apple Vision Pro has the potential to transform the way we approach everyday tasks. Imagine attending a virtual meeting where you can see and interact with colleagues as if they were in the same room, complete with realistic avatars and spatial audio that makes it feel like you're all together. Education takes on a new dimension with the Vision Pro. Imagine students exploring the human body in 3D, dissecting virtual organs without the need for physical dissections. Or history students walking through a virtual recreation of ancient Rome, experiencing historical events as if they were there. The Vision Pro can even enhance your creativity. Imagine architects designing buildings in 3D, manipulating virtual models with their hands, or artists painting in a virtual studio, surrounded by an infinite canvas. The Apple Vision Pro has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and play, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds in ways we never thought possible. In an increasingly digital world, the Apple Vision Pro has the potential to bring people closer together. Imagine attending a concert or sporting event from the comfort of your own home, experiencing the energy and excitement as if you were there in person. Video calls are taken to a whole new level with the Vision Pro. Imagine seeing your loved ones as if they were right there in the room with you, their life-size images projected into your living space. The spatial audio makes it feel like you're in the same room, allowing for more natural and engaging conversations. The Vision Pro can even help bridge language barriers. The Apple Vision Pro has the potential to create more meaningful and immersive ways to connect with others, fostering a sense of shared experience that transcends physical distance. The Apple Vision Pro is more than just a new gadget. It's a paradigm shift in how we interact with technology and the world around us. It marks the dawn of a new technological era, one where the lines between the physical and digital worlds continue to blur, creating a more immersive, connected, and ultimately more human experience. From healthcare to manufacturing, education to entertainment, the possibilities are limitless. Imagine surgeons using AR to visualize complex medical procedures in real time, or engineers using AR to design and test prototypes in a virtual environment. The Apple Vision Pro is a bold step into the future, a glimpse into a world where technology augments our capabilities and enhances our lives in countless ways. As we venture further into this new era of augmented reality, one thing is certain: the future is full of exciting possibilities, and the Apple Vision Pro is leading the charge. The Apple Vision Pro is a testament to Apple's legacy of innovation, a company that has consistently pushed the boundaries of technology and redefined what's possible. With the Vision Pro, Apple is once again leading the charge, ushering in a new era of augmented reality that promises to transform how we work, learn, play, and connect with the world around us. The headset's sleek design, groundbreaking display technology, intuitive controls, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem make it a truly revolutionary device. But perhaps even more exciting than the device itself is the potential it unlocks. As AR technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that will further blur the lines between the physical and digital realms. The future is here, and it's looking brighter than ever through the lens of the Apple Vision Pro.